Hello everyone, Mayor Andre Dickens here. As a Georgia Tech alum, I am excited to welcome students, families, and community members to the College of Engineering STEM Fest, focused on circuits and electricity. This event celebrates the innovation and creativity that power Atlanta's future. STEM subjects are the foundation of progress in transportation, energy, healthcare, and more. The curiosity you explore today is the start of tomorrow's solutions. The City of Atlanta and Georgia Tech invest in young people because you are the future leaders, engineers, and problem solvers. Ask questions, try new things, and imagine what you can create. If I could start as a curious student here in Atlanta, become an engineer, and now serve as your mayor, then there is nothing you cannot achieve if you set your mind to it.
Today we are here in Atlanta, Georgia with Georgia Tech. We are hosting a STEM Fest in the McCamish Pavilion. We are engaging the kids of Atlanta, Georgia in hands-on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. They're getting a chance to use a flight simulator. They're flying drones. They're exploring the stars and space in the Star Lab. They're even riding a hovercraft. Our K2 kids are having a blast making their own boats and having fun in water with buoyancy and density, as well as their own earthquake simulation.
Okay, go get it. Think about a name.
Truckmobile.
Okay, so the first one is called force equals mass times acceleration. So an example of this is the mass of these balls times multiplied by how fast it's going equals the force, right? The force is going to spread through these balls and cause this one to go forward because there's nothing for the force here to spread.
Well, as a public institution, it is incredibly important for Georgia Tech to make sure that we are serving our public and that we are doing our duty as an institution to bring individuals into this important field. And so we have set a goal to be a part of the fabric of our city and our state, and this is just one way to do that. And we've been working on that for decades, but we are now accelerating that effort.
That's because there's not enough light powering them. But in the mornings and daytime, that's why we have power. But if we block it during the nighttime and there's no power, but we turn on the batteries, there's still light.
First, Mommy cut it out, the paper, and I put the popsicle stick in, and then we stick it in the foam, and we put the go in the water, and below we have our straws, and we blow the.
I think it was great. We did a lot of activities, and she learned a lot, and she had a lot of fun.
Shaking like this, the people on top, yeah, exactly, might have to deal with some different things. So suspension bridges themselves are more long-lasting than maybe regular types of bridges, especially in places like earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes and things like that.
I didn't realize it was going to be as detailed, as thorough with just the tables that they had out with all the different science aspects and just innovation. I didn't realize that they could do all this for free. I think that's good, and I see that there's a lot of partners that they have to help support what they're doing to keep it ongoing. So that's what I noticed most.
This is our engine table. It's amazing how kids love to learn about engines. We have a 8-cylinder engine. We have airplane engines. We have a 4-stroke diesel cylinder model. So it just gives, this allows kids to see actually how engines work and how cars are propelled.
There's the cylinder locking thing. So why the hacking cylinder?
Oh, the knocking?
Yeah,
so,
the piston knocking thing.
Yeah, the knocking, right? Yeah. So sometimes you get knocking when your combustion is your explosion, when it doesn't combust 100%. So you get a knocking, right? You may get multiple combustion, right? Boom, 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 boom. But what you really want is just one boom. And